guys, I'm back. Hi guys, I am back with Hey guys, I am back with a new video, and today's video is how to be productive. So I'm going to be sharing with you 12 tips, and today's video is also a get productive with me. So you guys ready to see the video? Here we go. So I have my list right here. Tip number 1 is to make some coffee, tea, or just drink some water. So I love coffee, so especially when I'm feeling down and I need to be more productive, I make myself a cup of coffee and boom, I am energized again. If you don't like coffee, you can always make some tea because tea will energize you as well. And if you don't like coffee or tea, you can have some water. Hey guys, it is currently 8 o'clock here at night, so it's a little bit late to be making coffee, but I have a lot of things to do tonight, so we're gonna make some coffee to stay productive. Here we go. There is nothing like a fresh cup of coffee. Now I'm ready for the night. Tip number 2 is to sit down and plan what you need to get done. It's really important to make sure you don't forget anything, so that's why checklists are always really nice with this. Hey guys, so it is the next day and I'm going to be using my tips to help me stay productive today. So first of all, I'm going to be writing a to-do list, and I always recommend using notebooks that look like this, where they're pretty easy to tear off the pages compared to a notebook that looks like this. It's very hard to tear off the pages, so I definitely recommend getting a notebook like this or even having a special to-do list notebook. So I'm just going to be making my to-do list of what I need to get done tonight. Tip number 3 is to give yourself a reward after you're done with whatever you need to get done. So for example, you can give yourself maybe 5 minutes of phone time after you finish one task. Or you could maybe have some chocolate right after you finish one of your tasks. It's as simple as that. Tip number 4, go for a walk, clear your head. Sometimes when you're not productive, you're just not thinking clearly, and so it's really important to go for a walk or just clear your mind. Tip number 5, listen to classic music or basic music, especially to one thing that really helps is if you listen to study music. Some people can multitask pretty well, and if you can't, that's okay. You don't have to listen to music, but sometimes make you a little bit inspired if you listen to music. Tip number 6, have a dance break. It's always nice to take a break, so why not have a dance break? At least that way you get yourself a little bit more hyped. Number 7, make a snack. Sometimes when you're unproductive, it helps to make a snack, and then that way you're refreshed and ready to do whatever you need to get done. Lately for a snack, I've been gravitating to making a berry bowl. I usually put strawberries, raspberries, and sometimes bananas in my bowl. And of course, you can't forget the honey. Tip number 8, think about how happy you'll be after your task is complete. For example, if you don't want to do your homework, think about how happy you'll be when you actually have free time because your homework is done. Or if you really want to work out and you're all nervous about working out, think about how happy you'll be when you finish your run. Tip number 9, do something that inspires you. It's always important to just kind of clear your mind and do something that inspires you because that will make you productive. Number 10, stretch it out. Sometimes when you're looking at the computer too much or you're doing homework, it's just time to stretch it out. Tip number 11, try something new. Sometimes you just need to inspire yourself to make yourself more productive. And last but not least, tip number 12, make it fun. Have a little dance party and turn on some music. Especially if you need to clean something, that's always a good way to get things done, is to just turn on some music and have a little dance party. Well, that is 12 easy tips on how to be productive. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please like, comment down below, and subscribe in the comments down below. Let me know what your favorite tip was. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys next time.